Hey guys, this is the actual video after extracting the heavy pipes in my company. This is the snaps that we are using to harness excellent pipes in the
Sun 102 is giving schools across the region a lesson.
that's all I'm to you guys. Subscribe and click the notification bell for this video to my YouTube channel. So this is the equipment that we're using in oil field. We're finishing digging the heavy pipes in this area. Okay, so this is the exact location. Okay, so that's the company of servicing this oil field location in this job site. Okay, so see you guys. That's all, and click the notification bell for upcoming this video to my YouTube channel. And click and share and comments. Okay, this is the open field. It's a nice video. It's a nice weather, cold, uh, windy, and sunny. Okay, so see you again tomorrow. So subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming this video to my YouTube channel, guys. Okay, so that's all.